All right, good morning, everybody. So I wanted to make a video of some new swag I got from MotoHorn, MotoHorn.com. They're called MotoHorn Bags. And what they are is basically saddlebag liners. But they're like carry cases. They're like tote carry cases. They have handles on them. And you slide these into your saddlebags. And like if you're going on an overnight trip, especially if you don't have the back storage container that the largest Harleys have, the electric glides and the ultra glides and all that. If you have like a road glide or a street glide, they may not have that extra storage compartment back there. You could have it on if you buy it aftermarket. You can put it on there, but mine doesn't have it. So something like this might come in handy for, let's say I'm going to jiu-jitsu class and I carry my gi with me. Well, I have my gi, I have my mouthpiece, I have my water bottle, and all that stuff I could put into this carry case, which is in my saddlebag, and just pull it right out of my saddlebag when I get to class. And I have self-contained storage containers I can carry into class, do my business, and come back out and slide it back in there and head home. So I'm going to show these things. I just wanted to take a picture of them in the packaging. And this is what they come in. Again, they're called MotoHorn Bags. And they're the shape of the saddlebags. MotoHorn was not certain that these fit into my model, the 2021 Road Glide, but I'm going to make this video to kind of put them in there, show some video footage of it, and let you know whether it fits or not and how I like them. So we'll talk soon. Take care. All right, so I took it out of the plastic bag. This is what it looks like out of the bag. As you can see, it comes, of course, compressed here. It's got double zippers. So it's got a piece of Velcro strap here, and it's got double zippers. And you unzip it, and you can pull that strap up. I've already got my other one put together here. You see what it looks like when it's put together. I would say that's probably about, I don't know, maybe 4 inches wide, maybe. Definitely is plenty small enough that it fits in the saddlebag. My saddlebags are I think much bigger than this, but we'll see when we get out there. But yeah, you see the double zippers here. You got a zipper on this side and a zipper on that side. And then on here, you have the Velcro strap that goes here. You got the nice Velcro strap here, and this overlaps and links into it. So to open it, just unzip it. There's one side unzipped. There's two sides unzipped. Maybe. There we go. And then the strap just pulls up. You see? And it just falls back. And then you have lots of nice space inside of here. I'm certain that my entire gi, water bottle, and mouthpiece, which is really the only 4 things I care about when I go do jiu-jitsu, will all fit into here. And I can pull it out by these bad boys, these 2 handles here, carry it right into class. Do my business. So it's like a gym bag. It's like a tote gym bag. For me, that's what I'll use it for. You use it for whatever you want to, but that's probably the most use I'll get out of it. Or what I'll use it most for. So yeah, so far it looks pretty good. It's got a pocket on the outside. So here's a pocket. Might put my mouthpiece in here, but probably not. Put something in there, maybe sunglasses, something, I don't know. And the other side does not, it does look like it has oh no, that's just the thread. It doesn't have a pocket on this side. So no pockets on the outside except the one here, which is plenty. And then a nice storage compartment inside. So I'll come back whenever I have them in my saddlebag to show you what they look like. Totally installed. But so far I'm liking them. So far I like it a lot. And that's what they look like. Looks kind of blurry a little bit. There it is. There it is. Good. So that's what they look like out of the bag. I don't know why my phone keeps blurring. Sorry about that. But yeah, I'll show you once I have them put in the motorcycle. All right. Hello, I'm back. So I am now going to put all of my stuff in my bag. I'm probably going to have a lot more use cases for the bag, but the one that came to mind right off was my Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu and Muay Thai classes that I go to weekly. The gear that I carry, usually when I'm riding my motorcycle, I just have to stuff it into my saddlebag. But with these, and then I take them out individually and just put them under my arm, or I have another backpack that I have to stuff into the saddlebag. I fill the backpack. Once I get there, I have to go into class. And then when I come out, I have to stuff all the stuff because it won't fit individually. I have to kind of stuff it into the saddlebag. So the point of this is all of my stuff can fit right into here. And I just pull this bad boy right out of the saddlebag and go into class, finish my class, stuff it back into the saddlebag, and stuff this right back in into the MotoHorn bags, and then stuff this right into the saddlebag of my motorcycle. So now I'm going to, so I've got my gi pants, I've got my gi jacket, I've got my belt, I've got my hand wraps for Muay Thai class, I've got my mouth guards, and I've got my water bottle. So I'll be back once I have all this stuffed into my bag and show you what it looks like. I'll be back. All right, hello again. So, voila, check it out. This is a fully packed MotoHorn Bags Bag, I think is what MotoHorn calls it. But this has all of the gym equipment that I need to go to Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu and Muay Thai class. I will just pop this out of the saddlebag and carry it into class. And that's it. I mean, it's so simple, and it's so much better than what I currently do. Like I said, what I currently do is all of the stuff that's in here. Let me open this up to show you. All of the stuff that's in here for my class. And I go to class 2 to 3 times a week. I try to. Not always, but I try to go 2 to 3 times, sometimes more. But what I have to do is all of the gear that you're looking at here, I have to stuff into one of the 2 saddlebags on my motorcycle when I'm riding my motorcycle. So the pants, just to show you it all fits. There's the pants. There's the belt. There's the mouthpiece. The 2 hand wraps. The gi jacket. Okay, there's the jacket. And the water bottle, which I have a large water bottle. This thing is huge. This thing is called a gym keg. It's massive. So all of that fits, and that's everything I need for class, self-contained. So that's all inside of there. This is in my saddlebag. I pull this bad boy out, I go into class, I repack the bag at the end of class, I stuff it back in the motorcycle, and I'm gone. It's like a 3-second process now, as opposed to what was a 5 or 10 minute process after class each day to get this all stuffed into somewhere in one of my 2 saddlebags. So yay for the bags. I'm going to go try them in my saddlebags to see if they actually fit, because MotoHorn wasn't sure if they fit my model, but I told them I would check it out and let them know. So I'm going to check it out now. My motorcycle, of course, is a 2021 Road Glide, and I will let you know. I'll show pictures of it and make a video of it. I'll be back. All right. Hello again. This will be the last video that I make. Here's my motorcycle. I've been riding it through the winter because I have cold gear now, as I made a previous video of. I've got it plugged up now to the tender, but every nice day I get it out here and ride it. But MotoHorn, I'm happy to report that these bags fit snugly and perfectly within the 2021 Harley Davidson Road Glide. You can see the pictures here. This is the bag stuffed into my saddlebag here on my right-hand side. Now what you see here is my helmet and my sunglasses. Those were in my saddlebag, but whenever this bag will be in here, I'll be wearing my helmet anyway, because this means I'll be going on a trip. I'll stuff this bag in here. The helmet will come out anyway because I'm wearing that, and the sunglasses, I'm wearing those 2 things, and that's okay. So once I get to class and I'm ready to go to class, I'll take this bag out and I'll put the helmet and glasses in the saddlebag, and I'll take the bag out. So there's the bag. Here's me taking the bag out. Look how nice that fits. Perfectly. And then I'm going to go over here. We're going to stuff it back in. I mean, it fits perfectly. Perfectly. You see, it doesn't stick over anywhere. It doesn't stick over too high. It's literally, let me see if I can get a video of it. You see how there it is. So it's just about level with the top. It could come up in theory because it's got room here at the top, but it doesn't. It's perfect fit. So let me close this bad boy. Voila. So now I go to class. I open my saddlebag. I pull out the bag. I go to class. Instead of fishing for gear, wrapping it and packing it into a bag, because this is the bag I used to use. I have a bag sitting here in the garage. Every time I go to class, I have to stuff this bag into the saddlebag. I stuff all my gear individually into the saddlebag, and when I get there, I take all the gear and stuff it into the bag because it won't all fit together. I have to maneuver it and make room. But this guy is perfect. So Kudos to MotoHorn for such a great concept. This is the single use case that I will use it for most, probably 2 or 3 times a week, but I can see it coming in handy for small trips as well, where I need to pack some clothes overnight. That one could be an overnight bag, or both could be an overnight bag, who knows. So yeah, great idea, MotoHorn. I really love them. I appreciate you sending them to me, and this is definitely going to change. It's going to help me. So I think people, if you're interested in a saddlebag bag, they're calling them MotoHorn Bags Bag. And so if you're like me and you have small appointments you need to go to and whatnot, and you need gear, you need to bring some clothes with you, perfect suitcase right here that's perfectly sized for the saddlebag. You stuff that full and you can just get the handles and take it right with you. Pack it up and stuff it right back in. So great job, MotoHorn, and I appreciate it. Take care.